Hello, I am Dr. Jolly Shah, practicing cosmetologist and dermatologist. I practice in Mumbai. We are going to have a word about coping with acne scars. Acne is one of the commonest problems that is faced by teenagers, even middle-aged females and males nowadays. And it is a very irritating problem because it leaves behind very dirty marks and scars. If it were left alone, then the marks and scars wouldn't be there. But because of pricking or breaking of the boils, dirty marks and those pits or scars, as we call them, are left behind. Sometimes very big pustular acne on their own also can leave behind the scars. It's very easy to take care of acne, but it is very difficult to take care of the scars. It definitely affects one's self-confidence, and also in your day-to-day life it will affect your activities as well. A lot of importance is given to one's own looks nowadays, so a clear face is very important. Modern medicine offers lot of modalities of treatment for the same. The simplest one are peels, in which specific medicines are applied on the face, and that takes off the topmost layers of the skin, thereby taking care of the marks as well. There is another advanced thing in this that is known as oxygen peel, that also refreshes the skin in addition to reduce the formation of new acne as well. The next step in this is microdermabrasion, that also uses either power crystals, or it is going to use a diamond tip to remove the top dead layers of the skin. This again can also, with its suction action, open up all the pores that are there, and also open up all the comedones. The third step in this is usually microneedling. Now this is a procedure which goes in depth, trying to clear off the scars and the marks from the depth. It does require some time and a numbing cream. The instrument itself has got multiple needles on a barrel, which is rolled onto the skin, causing the skin to regenerate from below and thereby help in the lifting up of the scars. This requires multiple sessions, but the results are very beautiful. The state-of-art treatment for acne scars is fractional carbon dioxide laser resurfacing. Now this is a laser which can penetrate right up to the depth of the skin where the scars are formed. It can break off the fibrous bands which is holding the skin below and lift them from below itself. Now this laser can treat the superficial part as well as the deeper part, thereby giving a complete clearing of acne, its marks, and also the scars. The treatment options will depend on the individual, what they want, what you want, and what final result is desired by both. Also the target is important, the skin type, the work type of the patient is also important. Also one of the most important things that does matter in this will be the time duration, and definitely not to mention the cost factor, because none of these procedures are going to be covered by any Mediclaim or an insurance policy, since these all are cosmetic procedures. For further information, you can contact me through Librate.com.